So today I will discuss de Moivre's theorem. Okay. So first, what is de Moivre's theorem? When n is an positive or negative integer and theta is the real number. When n is a positive integer or negative integer and theta is a real number, then de Moivre's theorem states that cos theta plus I sin theta to the power n, cos theta plus I sin theta to the power n. So this will be cos n theta plus I sin n theta. Okay. ठीक. So this is first. This is first point, right? So if cos theta plus I sin theta to the power n, cos theta plus I sin theta to the power n, so this will be cos n theta plus I sin n theta when n is an integer. This is an when n is an integer. Okay, n is an integer, either it is positive or negative, but n is an integer. When n is an integer, either positive and negative or negative, and theta is a real number, okay, then cos theta plus I sin theta whole to the power n, so this will be cos n theta plus I sin n theta. And the next point, when n is a rational number, that means p by q form, right? When n is a rational number, when n is a rational number, that is the number is of the form p by q where q is not equal to 0, this is called rational number. Then de Moivre's theorem says that cos theta plus I sin theta whole to the power n, cos theta plus I sin theta whole to the power n, এর one of the value, cos theta plus I sin theta whole to the power n, এর অসংখ্য ভ্যালু আছে, এর মধ্যে একটা ভ্যালু কি হবে, cos n theta plus I sin theta. When n is a rational number, then cos n theta plus I sin n theta, ঠিক, this is one of the values of cos theta plus I sin theta to the power n. Cos theta plus I sin theta whole to the power n এর অসংখ্য ভ্যালুগুলোর মধ্যে যে কোনো একটা ভ্যালু কি হবে, এটা হবে cos n theta plus I sin n theta. This is one of the values of this cos theta plus I sin theta to the power n. এর ইনফাইনাইটলি মেনি ভ্যালুজ আছে, এই ভ্যালুগুলোর মধ্যে যে একটা ভ্যালু কি হবে, one of the value will be cos n theta plus I sin theta, cos n theta plus I sin n theta. So if n is an integer, then cos theta plus I sin theta to the power n, so this will be cos n theta plus I sin n theta. But if n is, that is power, if n is a fraction, that is p by q, then cos n theta plus I sin n theta, cos n theta plus I sin n theta. So this will be one of the value of this, মানে এর একটা ভ্যালু এটা হবে, অনেকগুলো ভ্যালু আছে, তার মধ্যে একটা ভ্যালু এটা হবে। তাহলে আমরা এক্সাম্পল নিয়ে ডিসকাস করে তাহলে তোমাদের বুঝতে সুবিধা হবে। de Moivre's theorem basically states that যে কোনো কমপ্লেক্স নাম্বার, সাপোজ z be a কমপ্লেক্স নাম্বার, ঠিক, যে কোনো কমপ্লেক্স নাম্বারের পাওয়ার যদি ইন্টিজার হয়, যে কোনো কমপ্লেক্স নাম্বারের পাওয়ার যদি ইন্টিজার হয়, তাহলে তুমি একটাই অ্যান্সার পাবে, ইউ গেট অনলি ওয়ান অ্যান্সার। ওকে, রাইট, অনলি ওয়ান অ্যান্সার, অনলি ওয়ান অ্যান্সার। যেট ইজ এ কমপ্লেক্স নাম্বার, যে কোনো নাম্বার, হোল নাম্বার, ঠিক, পাওয়ার ইন্টিজার যদি হয়, তাহলে তুমি অনলি ওয়ান অ্যান্সার, ইউ গেট অনলি ওয়ান অ্যান্সার। সাপোজ 2 টু দি পাওয়ার 1, ইউ গেট অনলি ওয়ান অ্যান্সার, দ্যাট ইজ 2। কমপ্লেক্স নাম্বার যদি হয়, আমি বলছি যেটা কমপ্লেক্স নাম্বার, দেখো রিয়েল নাম্বার দ্যাট ইজ এ সাবসেট অফ কমপ্লেক্স নাম্বার, ঠিক, এভরি রিয়েল নাম্বার ইজ এ সাবসেট অফ কমপ্লেক্স নাম্বার। যে কোনো হোল নাম্বার, হোল নাম্বারের পাওয়ার যদি ইন্টিজার হয়, যে কোনো নাম্বার, সেটা রিয়াল হতে পারে বা কমপ্লেক্স হতে পারে, আইদার রিয়াল অর কমপ্লেক্স, ঠিক, পাওয়ার যদি ইন্টিজার হয় তাহলে তুমি একটাই অ্যান্সার পাবে। কিন্তু পাওয়ার যদি, বাট ইফ দ্য পাওয়ার, সাপোজ জেড বি এ কমপ্লেক্স নাম্বার, ঠিক, সাপোজ জেড ইজ এ কমপ্লেক্স নাম্বার, এর পাওয়ার মনে করো 3/8, সাপোজ 3/8, you get, দেখো p by q, you get 8 answer, you get 8 answer, ঠিক আছে। সাপোজ z টু দি পাওয়ার 1/2, দেখো p by q, this is an n, so n is a fraction, ঠিক, p by q, so ডিনোমিনেটর যেটা হবে ঠিক ততগুলো অ্যান্সার পাবে, সো 1/2, so you get 2, ক্লিয়ার। সো যে কোনো নাম্বার আইদার রিয়াল অর কমপ্লেক্স, যদি পাওয়ারটা ইন্টিজার হয়, পাওয়ারটা যদি ইন্টিজার হয়, ইউ গেট অনলি ওয়ান অ্যান্সার, cos থিটা প্লাস i sin থিটা টু দি পাওয়ার n, ইউ গেট অনলি ওয়ান অ্যান্সার, দ্যাট ইজ cos n থিটা প্লাস i sin n থিটা। বাট পাওয়ারটা যদি ফ্র্যাকশন হয়, দ্যাট ইজ p by q হয়, then cos n theta plus i sin n theta, so this is the one value of this, cos n theta plus i sin n theta, so this is one of the value of this, এর অনেক ভ্যালু আছে, এই ভ্যালুগুলোর মধ্যে, এই ভ্যালুগুলোর মধ্যে একটা ভ্যালু এটা হবে, ঠিক আছে। ওকে, সো ইন্টিজার হলে আমি একটাই অ্যান্সার পাবো, ঠিক, কিন্তু যদি পাওয়ারটা যদি ফ্র্যাকশন থাকে, মানে if the if power is not an integer, that is if n is a fraction, if this is n, this is n, just see, this is n, if n is a fraction, ঠিক, p by q ডিনোমিনেটর যেটা হবে ঠিক ততগুলো অ্যান্সার পাবে, ঠিক আছে। ওকে, এবার আমরা একটা এক্সপ্লেইন করছি, একটা এক্সাম্পল নিয়ে ডি মুভিস থিওরেম কি বলেছে। লেট আস কনসিডার অ্যান এক্সাম্পল to explain this, what is de Moivre's theorem. So de Moivre's theorem states that if n is an integer, if n is an integer, you get only one value, that is cos theta plus i sin theta whole to the power n, so this will be cos n theta, দেখো পাওয়ারটা কি হচ্ছে, থিটার সঙ্গে মাল্টিপ্লিকেশন, পাওয়ারটা কি হচ্ছে, থিটার সঙ্গে মাল্টিপ্লিকেশন, cos theta plus i sin theta to the power n, so this will be cos n theta প্লাস i sin n theta, ঠিক আছে। ওকে, বাট if n is a fraction, that is p by q, then cos n theta plus i sin n theta, so this is one of the value of this expression, এর অনেকগুলো ভ্যালু আছে, তার মধ্যে একটা ভ্যালু হবে হচ্ছে cos n theta plus i sin n theta, ঠিক আছে। ওকে, দ্যাট মিনস পাওয়ারটা যদি ইন্টিজার হয়, ইউ গেট অনলি ওয়ান অ্যান্সার, বাট পাওয়ারটা যদি ফ্র্যাকশন হয়, ঠিক আছে, if the power is fraction, suppose z is equal to 1 by z to the power 1/4, this is a fraction, ঠিক, so p by q, so this, so p by q, so denominator is the answer, so z to the power 1/4, you get 4 answer, ঠিক আছে? সো লেট আস কনসিডার অ্যান এক্সাম্পল। আমি একটা এক্সাম্পল নিয়ে ডি মুভিস থিওরেমটা ডিসকাস করে দিচ্ছি, ডি মুভিসটা এক্সপ্লেন করছি, ঠিক আছে? সো লেট আস কনসিডার অ্যান এক্সাম্পল। সাপোজ ইফ উই কনসিডার দিস, see, if we consider this √3 plus I to the power 5. So we consider this √3 plus I. This is a complex number, okay, to the power 5. So this is an integer, okay, okay. So this can be written as 2 to the power 5 into √3 by 2 plus I by 2 to the power 5. So step 1, first step, step 1, convert the complex number in polar form. Convert the complex number into polar form. ঠিক আছে? So 1 √3 plus I, that is the complex number. So first we have to convert to its polar form. Okay? So this can be written as, let's see, √3 by 2. What we can write? So that means 2 to the power 5 cos pi by 6 plus I sin pi by 6 to the power 5, right? ठीक. So √3 plus I, so this changes to polar form. So step 1, convert the complex number into polar form. So now here this is an integer. Just apply de Moivre's theorem. So step 2, apply de Moivre's theorem. Apply de Moivre's theorem. Okay. So cos theta plus I sin theta to the power n. So this will be cos n theta plus I sin n theta. That means power ta ki hocche theta er songe multiplication, right? So this equal to 2 to the power 5 into cos 5 pi by 6 plus I sin 5 pi by 6. Okay, ठीक. So now just you calculate cos 5 pi by 6. So this is minus 1 by 2, minus √3 by 2. So this equal to 2 to the power 5 into minus √3 by 2. So sin 5 pi by 6. So this will be 1 by 2. So I into 1 by 2. ठीक. So if we take 1 by 2 common, so what we get? That means 2 to the power 4 into minus √3 plus I. Okay. So √3 plus I to the power 5. So what we get? 2 to the power 4 into minus √3 plus I. So we get only one answer. So when n is an integer, we get only one answer. So okay. So z to the যে কোনো complex number, ঠিক, whole number power যদি integer হয়, we get only one answer. ঠিক আছে? Let's see, this is a complex number. So √3 plus I to the power 5. So we get only one answer. we get only one answer. Okay, ठीक. So if we consider this, suppose root 3 plus I, root 3 plus I, root 3 plus I to the power 1 by 5. You see here, n is a fraction. Here, n is a fraction, right? So first step, step 1, that is, we have to convert the complex number into polar form. We have to convert the complex number into polar form, right? So what we can write? So 2 to the power 1 by 5 into root 3 by 2 plus I by 2 to the power 1 by 5. Take. So this equal to 2 to the power 1 by 5 into cos pi by 6 plus I sin pi by 6, take, whole to the power 1 by 5. Okay. So step 1 is we have to convert the complex number into polar form. That is the first step. That is the first step. Next, we have to apply, that is second step for this. Now, just recall this. Cos 2k pi cos theta, this can be written as cos 2k pi plus theta, right? Sin theta, so this can be written as sin 2k pi plus theta. So note this point. So note this point. Cos theta, so this is cos 2k pi plus theta. Sin theta, that is sin 2k pi plus theta. ঠিক আছে? So just you consider this is theta. Just you consider this is theta. This is theta. ঠিক? So cos theta is cos 2k pi plus theta. তার মানে অ্যাঙ্গেলের সঙ্গে, that is আর্গুমেন্টের সঙ্গে just তুমি 2k pi অ্যাড করবে। ওকে? So step 1, that is convert the complex number into polar form. Convert the complex number into polar form. That is the first step. That is the first step. Convert the complex number into polar form. Next step, step 2, just we add 2k pi to the argument. ঠিক? থিটার সঙ্গে আমি কি করব? থিটার সঙ্গে আমি 2k pi অ্যাড করব। ওকে? ঠিক আছে? So add 2k pi in the argument, that is theta. So this equal to 2 to the power 1 by 5 into cos theta plus I, cos theta, that is cos 2k pi plus theta. So cos 2k pi plus theta. What is theta here? Theta is pi by 6 plus I sin 2k pi. I sin 2k pi plus theta. Theta is pi by 6 to the power 1 by 6. 1 by 5. right? What is k? K is an integer. What is k? K is an integer where k belongs to z, that is k is any integer. Okay, ठीक. So cos 2k pi plus pi by 6 plus I sin 2k pi plus pi by 6 whole to the power 1 by 5. এবার ডি মুভিস থিওরেম অ্যাপ্লাই করো, পাওয়ারটা কি হবে? এর সঙ্গে মাল্টিপ্লিকেশন, ঠিক? সো দিস ইকুয়াল টু, সো দিস ইকুয়াল টু 2 to the power 1 by 5 into cos 2k pi plus pi by 6 divided by 5, right? Plus I sin 2k pi plus pi by 6 divided by 5. Just you consider this is theta, পাওয়ারটা কি হবে? এর সঙ্গে মাল্টিপ্লাই। ওকে, রাইট? সো what is k? k is equal to, দেখো এখানে k is equal to 0 1 2 3 4, k is equal to 0 1 2 3 4 to the power 1 by 5, that is we have to put k is equal to 0 1 2 3 4. যদি k is equal to 1 by 4 হতো তাহলে 0 1 স্টার্ট করবে 0 থেকে 5, that is 5 ভ্যালুস। দেখো 0 1 2 3 4 টোটাল 5 ভ্যালুস। ওকে, ঠিক আছে, right? So ultimately what we get, 2 to the power 1 by 5 into cos, if we simplify this, 12 k pi plus pi, ঠিক, divided by 30 plus I sin 12 k pi plus pi divided by 30. Okay, k is equal to 0 1 2 3 4. Now if we put k is equal to 0, if we put k is equal to 0, what we get? If we put k is equal to 0, what we get? We get 2 to the power 1 by 5 into cos, k is equal to 0, that is cos pi by 30 plus I sin pi by 30. If you put k is equal to 1, what we get? If we put k is equal to 1, what we get? 2 to the power 1 by 5 into cos 13 pi, right? 13 pi divided by 30 plus I sin 13 pi divided by 30. Okay, next put k is equal to 24 pi plus pi, that is 2 to the power 1 by 5 into cos 25 pi divided by 30 plus I sin 25 pi divided by. Next, if you put k is equal to 3, ঠিক, 36 plus pi, that is 37 pi. So 2 to the power 1 by 5 into cos 37 pi by 30 plus I sin 37 pi by. Okay, so next, if we put k is equal to 4, so 12 into 4, that is 48. 48 pi plus pi, that is 49 pi. So 2 to the power 1 by 5 into cos 49 pi by 30 plus I sin 49 pi divided by, just see, we get 1 2 3 4 5. Take 1 by 5, denominator is 5, so we get 5 answer. These are the answer 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so if n is an integer, we get only one value, that is only one answer. But if n is a fraction, you see this is a fraction, 1 by 5, so we get 5 answer. Okay, ঠিক আছে? So this cos theta, cos n theta, if n is a fraction, then cos n theta plus I sin n theta, this is the one of the value of cos theta plus I sin theta whole to the power n. This is de Moivre's theorem. Okay, so if n is an integer, then cos theta plus I sin theta whole to the power n. So this will be cos n theta plus I sin n theta. That is, we get only one answer, right? But when n is a fraction, then cos n theta plus I sin n theta, this is the one of the value of this expression. এর অনেকগুলো ভ্যালুর মধ্যে যে একটা ভ্যালু হচ্ছে এটা, এটা অনেকগুলো ভ্যালু আছে, তার মধ্যে একটা ভ্যালু এটা, ঠিক আছে, is one of the value of this. ঠিক, so just see, when n is an integer, পাওয়ারটা যদি ইন্টিজার হয়, we get only one answer. But when n is a fraction, that is p by q, denominator gives the answer. So 1 by 5, that is, we get 5 answer. Just see, these are the answer 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so step 1 is convert the complex number into polar form. Step 2, add 2k pi in the argument. And step 3, that is, apply de Moivre's theorem. Step 3, that is, apply de Moivre's theorem. Okay, now 0 1 2 3 4 আমি কেন পুট করলাম, 5 কেন পুট করলাম না, 6 কেন পুট করলাম না, 7 কেন পুট করলাম না? দেখো, যখন তুমি 5 পুট করবে না, k = 5, you get this answer. যখন তুমি 6 পুট করবে, you get this answer. 7 পুট করবে, এই অ্যানসারটা পেয়ে যাবে। 8 পুট করবে, এই অ্যানসারটা পেয়ে যাবে। 9 পুট করবে, এই অ্যানসারটা পেয়ে যাবে। 10 পুট করবে, আবার এই অ্যানসারটা পেয়ে যাবে। ওকে, ঠিক আছে? সো দিস আর দি ডিস্টিংক্ট নাম্বারস। যখন তুমি 5 পুট করছো, ইউ গেট, দেখবে তুমি অ্যানসারটা পেয়ে যাবে। 6 পুট করবে, ইউ গেট দিস অ্যানসার। 7 পুট করবে, ইউ গেট দিস অ্যানসার। 8 পুট করবে, এটা পেয়ে যাবে। 9 পুট করবে, এটা পেয়ে, 10 পুট করবে, আবার এটা পেয়ে যাবে। রিপিট হয়ে যাবে নাম্বারগুলো। ওকে, সো দিস ইজ দ্য কনসেপ্ট অফ de Moivre's theorem. Okay, so if n is a proper, if n is a integer, যে কোনো নাম্বারের পাওয়ার, যে কোনো নাম্বার, হোল নাম্বার, আইদার কমপ্লেক্স নাম্বার অর রিয়েল নাম্বার, যে কোনো পাওয়ারের, যে কোনো নাম্বারের পাওয়ার যদি ইন্টিজার হয়, উই গেট অনলি ওয়ান অ্যান্সার। ওকে, বাট ইফ দ্য পাওয়ার ইজ এ ফ্র্যাকশন, ঠিক, ডিনোমিনেটর যেটা হবে p by q, denominator gives the answer. Okay, ঠিক আছে, right? Okay, so this is the concept of de Moivre's theorem. Okay, you see, when n is an integer, we get only one value, but when n is a fraction, we get 5 values, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, clear? So now for solving আমরা ডিমোইস থিওরেম যখন প্রবলেমগুলো সলভ করব we have to note this result, that is very important. Okay, the following results are very important to solve the problem. 1 plus I, first we have to convert the complex number into polar form. So 1 plus I, so this can be written as root 2 into cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4. 1 minus I, so root 2 into cos pi by 4 minus I sin pi by 4. Okay, we can write this 1 plus I, 1 plus I. So if you multiply this, so root 2 into 1 by root 2 plus I into 1 by root 2, that is root 2 into cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4. ठीक, so 1 plus I, so this complex number, first of all we have to convert to its polar form, that is the first step. ठीक, similarly 1 minus I, so this can be written as root 2 into cos pi by 4 minus I sin pi by 4. I, just see I that means 0 plus I. Okay, so cos pi by 2 is 0 plus I sin pi by 2. So I in polar form, so this will be cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2, right? Similarly minus I, so this will be cos pi by 2 minus I sin pi by 2. 1 can be written as, just see 1, that is 1 plus 0 into I, right? We know that cos 0, that is 1 plus sin 0, that is 0, so I sin 0. Getting my point? Okay, ঠিক, ঠিক আছে? Okay, similarly minus 1, that is cos pi minus I sin pi. Okay, now Euler's theorem states that, it is very important, cos theta plus I sin theta, cos theta plus I sin theta, cos theta plus I sin theta, so this will be e to the power I theta. Cos theta plus I sin theta, so this is the exponential function, that is e to the power I theta. So note this, this is Euler's theorem. Euler's theorem states that cos theta plus I sin theta, so this will be e to the power I theta. Okay, so now we are going to find cube roots of unity. Unity means 1. So first problem, find the cube roots of 1, that is we are going to find cube roots of unity. Okay, cube roots of unity, cube roots of unity, cube roots of unity, that means 1 to the power 1 by 3. Cube roots of unity, we have to calculate cube roots of unity. Okay, that means 1 to the power 1 by 3. So let, this is x, so let or solve x cube minus 1, same. Just see, we have to calculate cube roots of unity. Suppose this is x, that means x cube, so this is 1, that means x cube minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so cube roots of unity or solve x cube minus 1 is equal to 0, that are similar meaning. Okay, so here just see cube roots of unity, let x is equal to cube root of unity, cube root of unity, that means x to the power, x is equal to 1 to the power 1 by 3. Okay, ठीक, this is a fraction. You see 1 to the power 1 by 3, this is a fraction, so we get 3 values. 1 to the power 1 by 3, we get 3 values. ডিনোমিনেটর যেটা হবে সেটা অ্যান্সার। ওকে, সো ফার্স্ট আমি কি বলেছি, স্টেপ 1 ফার্স্ট উই হ্যাভ টু কনভার্ট ইনটু পোলার ফর্ম, রাইট? সো দিস ইকুয়াল টু 1, that is cos 0 plus I sin 0, cos 0 is 1, sin 0 is 0, so ultimately 1 to the power 1/3, right? So step 1, what is the step 1? That is we have to convert the complex number into polar form. First step, convert the complex number into polar form. Next step, add 2k pi in the argument. Okay, so here this is theta, so cos 2k pi plus theta, that is cos 2k pi plus 0 plus I sin 2k pi plus 0 to the power 1/3. What is k? K is any integer. Step 1, first step, step 1, convert the complex number into polar form. Next step, step 2, add 2k pi to the argument, that means থিটার সঙ্গে আমি 2k pi অ্যাড করব। নেক্সট স্টেপ 3, apply de Moivre's theorem. Okay, so these are the following steps. Step 1, first convert the complex number into polar form. Second step, add 2k pi to the argument, that is theta সঙ্গে আমি 2k pi add করব, and third step is that apply de Moivre's theorem. Cos 2k pi plus theta, you see cos 2k pi plus theta, so basically this is cos theta, sin 2k pi plus theta, so this is sin theta. Cos 2k pi plus theta, that is cos theta, sin 2k pi plus theta, that is sin theta. So cos theta, so cos 2k pi plus theta, that is cos theta, sin theta, that is sin 2k pi plus theta, that is sin theta, right? Okay, so now পাওয়ারটা কি হবে, অ্যাঙ্গেলের সঙ্গে মাল্টিপ্লিকেশন, ঠিক? n is a proper fraction, so this is the angle, ঠিক? এর সঙ্গে পাওয়ারটা মাল্টিপ্লাই করব, so what we get, that means cos 2k pi plus 0, that means cos 2k pi into 1/3, that is cos 2k pi by 3, plus I sin 2k pi by 3. What is k? K is, we start from 0, so that is 3 values, 0 1 2, if 4 হতো তাহলে 0 1 2 3. Okay, so now when k is equal to 0, that is cos 0 plus I sin 0, cos 0 plus I sin 0. When k is equal to 1, that is cos 2 pi by 3 plus I sin 2 pi by 3. When k is equal to 2, that is cos 4 pi by 3, cos 4 pi by 3 plus I sin 4 pi by 3, right? Now cos 0, that is 1, sin 0, that is 0, so this is 1, cos 2 pi by 3, that is minus 1 by 2. Sin 2 pi by 3, that is root 3 by 2. So I cos 4 pi by 3, so this is minus 1 by 2. Sin 4 pi by 3, so this is minus root 3 by 2. So minus I root 3 by 2. You see, this is omega square. Omega is minus 1 plus I root 3 divided by 2, and omega square is minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. So basically this is 1 omega and omega square. What is omega? This is omega. What is omega square? This is omega square. And also we know that 1 plus omega square is 0, and omega cube basically is 1. Okay, so you see, when n is a proper fraction, we get 3 answers. Is it clear? When n is a proper fraction, we get 3 answers. We get 3 answers. Right? We get 3 answers. 1 omega and omega square. That is 1 minus 1 by 2 plus I root 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus I root 3 by 2. Okay. So the cube roots of unity are 1 omega and omega square. Right? Okay. So hence the cube roots of unity, hence the cube roots of 1 are 1 omega and omega square. Okay, clear? So next problem, find the fourth roots of unity. Find the fourth roots of unity, that is fourth roots of 1. Find the fourth roots of unity. So we have to calculate this. We have to calculate this. Okay. So let x is equal to this. So let this problem and this problem are similar, or find the roots of this equation. Find the roots of this equation x to the power 4 minus 1 is equal to 0. You see, suppose this is x is equal to this, that means x to the power 4. So this is 1, that means x to the power 4 minus 1 is equal to 0. Getting my point? Okay. So these two problems similar. Find the fourth roots of unity, or solve the equation x to the power 4 minus 1 is equal to 0, or find the all roots of this equation similar. Okay. So let x is equal to fourth roots of unity, that is fourth root of 1. So this implies x is equal to 1 to the power 1 by 4. So this implies x is equal to, what is 1? That means cos 0 plus I sin 0 to the power 1 by 4. First step, convert the complex number. Sir, it is the real number. Every real number can be expressed as a complex number. Right? 1 can be expressed as 1 plus 0 into I. ठीक? Okay, so real number के तुम्ही complex number consider करते ही पढ़ो. An expression is of the form a plus ib is called a complex number. So 1 can be written as 1 plus 0 into I. A plus ib, where I is equal to root over minus 1. So this is called a complex number. So 1. So first we have to convert the complex number to polar form. That is the first step, right? This is the angle. Basically, this is the argument theta. Next step, we add 2k pi to the argument, right? Because cos 2k pi plus theta, that is cos theta, sin 2k pi plus theta, that is sin theta. So this equal to, cos 2k pi plus 0 plus I sin 2k pi plus 0 to the power 1 by 4, where k is any integer. Okay, so this equal to 1 by 4 এর সঙ্গে multiply, 1 by 4 অ্যাঙ্গেলের সঙ্গে multiply. So that is cos 2k pi plus 0 divided by 4 plus I sin 2k pi by 4. What is k? K is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Cos n theta plus I sin n theta. This is the one of the value of cos theta plus I sin theta whole to the power n when n is a proper fraction. When n is a fraction, then cos n theta plus I sin n theta. So this is the one of the value of this. When k is equal to 0, you get one value. When k is equal to 1, you get another value. Okay, so cos n theta plus I sin n theta. So this is one of the value of cos theta plus I sin theta whole to the power n. This is a fraction. You see, this is a fraction. This is a fraction. So cos n theta plus I sin n theta. So this is one of the value of cos theta plus I sin theta whole to the power n. That is de Moivre's theorem, right? Okay, so now just you put k is equal to 0. So what do we get? If you put k is equal to 0, that is cos 0 plus I sin 0. Cos 0 is 1. That means ultimately 1. When k is equal to 1, that is cos 2 pi by 4, right? Cos 2 pi by 4 plus I sin 2 pi by 4, right? When k is equal to 2, that is cos 4 pi by 4 plus I sin 4 pi by 4. Okay, take when k is equal to 3, that means cos 6 pi by 4 plus I sin 6 pi by 4. ঠিক আছে? Okay, now just see. So this equal to 1. Cos pi 2 pi by 4, that means simply cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 is 0, sin pi by 2 is 1. That means I cos pi 4 cancel, cos pi is minus 1, sin pi is 0, so this is minus 1. Cos 6 pi by 4, that means what we get? Cos, that means 3 pi by 2, okay, plus I sin 3 pi by 4. So this, if we calculate this, you get this is 0, so this is minus I. Okay, sin 3 by 4, that is minus I. So ultimately what we get? So this is minus. Okay, right? So the values of the roots of x to the power 4 minus 1, just see x to the power 4 minus 1, just see from this is, just see from this, x is equal to 1 to the power 1 by 4. So basically this is x to the power 4 is equal to 1. That means x to the power 4 minus 1 is equal to 0. So the roots of this equation are 1i minus 1 minus I. 1i minus 1 minus I. Okay, clear, right? So just see, denominator is 4, so we get 4 values. Okay, ठीक है. So this is the fourth roots of 1. Okay, so hence the fourth roots of 1 are 1i minus 1 minus I. Therefore the fourth roots of the fourth roots of 1 are 1i minus 1 minus. Now just see, from this part, from this, okay, what is this? This is cos 2k pi by 4, cos 2k pi by 4 plus I sin 2k pi by 4. What is k? K is any integer. What is k? K is an integer. Okay, so k is basically 0, 1, 2, 3. Take. Okay, so this equal to this can be written as cos 2 pi by 4 plus I sin 2 pi by 4 to the power k. K is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Just you consider, suppose this is alpha, or you can consider I. Suppose this is alpha. So this equal to alpha to the power k. K is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. What is alpha? What is alpha? Where alpha is equal to cos 2 pi by 4 plus I sin 2 pi by 4. Take. Okay, so if you put k is equal to 0, we get 1. If you put k is equal to 1, that is alpha. If you put k is equal to 2, that is alpha square. K is equal to 3, alpha cube. Where alpha is equal to cos 2 pi by 4 plus I sin 2 pi by 4. You can check it. Just see it. Cos 2 pi by 4 plus I sin 2 pi by 4. That means basically this is I. Cos pi by 2, that is 0. Cos pi by 2, that is 0. Sin pi by 2, that is 1. So that is I. Let's see, this is I. Okay, so alpha is I. Alpha square যখন তুমি করবে, ঠিক আছে, ডি মরগানের থিওরেম অ্যাপ্লাই করো, পাওয়ারটা এর সঙ্গে মাল্টিপ্লাই হয়ে যাবে। দ্যাট মিন্স cos 4 pi by 4 plus I sin 4 pi by 4. That means cos pi plus I sin pi. Cos pi, that is what we get? Cos pi, that is minus 1. Sin pi, that is 0. So you get this answer, that is minus 1. So basically alpha square is minus 1. Similarly, alpha cube যখন করবে, that is you get cos 6 pi by 4 plus I sin 6 pi by 4. If you calculate this, you get minus. Okay, so তুমি অ্যান্সারটাকে you can express also this way: 1 alpha square, 1 alpha square, alpha cube, where alpha is this. Okay, ঠিক আছে. So the fourth roots of unity is 1i minus 1i. Also you can represent this way. Okay, ঠিক. Similarly find the nth roots of unity. First we calculate the cube roots of unity. Unity means 1. Second, we calculate fourth roots of unity. Now we are going to calculate the nth roots of unity. Nth roots of unity, that is this nth roots of unity, that is this. So we have to calculate this. Basically, we have to calculate 1 to the power 1 by n. We have to calculate 1 to the power 1 by n. Is find the values of 1 to the power 1 by n. Okay. Just see, denominator is n, so we get n answer, right? Denominator is n, so we get n answer. Okay, suppose this is x. Let this is x. So suppose this is x. That means x to the power n. So this is 1. That means x to the power minus 1 is equal to 0. So find the roots of unity. Similar problem is that find all roots of x to the power n minus 1 is equal to 0. Find all roots of x to the power n minus 1 is equal to 0, where n is a positive integer, and find the nth roots of unity. These are similar meaning. Okay, so basically we have to calculate the values of x, right? So find the nth roots of unity. So basically we have to calculate nth root of 1. Suppose this is x. Let x is equal to this. Now, so this equal to 1 to the power 1 by n. First, we have to convert this number into polar form, right? So that is cos 0 is 1 plus I sin 0, that is 0. 1 can be expressed in polar form, that is cos 0 plus I sin 0 to the power 1 by n. Okay, so next step. So first step is that we have to convert the complex number into polar form. Next step, we add 2k pi to the argument, that is theta সঙ্গে আমি 2k pi add করব. Cos 2k pi plus theta, that is simply cos theta, where k is any integer, sin 2k pi plus theta, that is sin theta. Okay, ঠিক? So this equal to cos 2k pi plus 0, cos 2k pi plus 0, plus I sin 2k pi plus 0 to the power 1 by n, where k is any integer, right? Okay, so cos theta plus I sin theta, just you consider this is theta, this is theta, this is theta. Cos theta plus I sin theta whole to the power 1 by n. Just apply 𝐷𝐸's theorem. Cos theta plus I sin theta, then cos theta plus I sin theta whole to the power n. When n is a proper fraction, then cos n theta plus I sin n theta, so this is the one of the value of cos theta plus I sin theta whole to the power n. So this equal to cos 2k pi plus 0, that is simply 2k pi, cos 2k pi divided by n plus I sin 2k pi divided by n, where k is equal to 0, 1, 2 up to n minus 1, right? Just see, যখন 1 by 4 ছিল, 4, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, ঠিক? ওকে, দেখো 1 by 3, 0, 1, 2, ঠিক? So when 1 by n, so 0, 1, 2 up to n minus 1, ঠিক? Okay, so this can be written in the form this equal to cos 2 pi by n plus I sin 2 pi by n to the power k, cos theta plus I sin theta to the power k is an integer, so this will be cos n theta plus I sin n theta. Take what is k? K is 0, 1, 2 up to n minus 1. Now, if we consider this is alpha, so what we get? So this equal to alpha to the power k, where k is equal to 0, 1, 2 up to n minus 1. What is alpha? What is alpha? We consider where alpha is equal to cos 2 pi by n, cos 2 pi by n plus I sin 2 pi by n. Okay. So if we put k is equal to 0, we get 1. If we put k is equal to 1, that is alpha. So 1 alpha alpha square dot dot alpha to the power n minus 1, alpha to the power n minus 1, where what is alpha? Alpha is cos 2 pi by n plus I sin 2 pi by n. So the nth roots of unity of will be 1 alpha alpha square up to alpha to the power n minus 1, where alpha is cos 2 pi by n plus I sin 2 pi by n. Okay, ठीक. This can be also written in this way. Just see. What we get? We get x is equal to this from this. What we get? X is equal to this, right? So x is equal to, see, what we get, do this. So x is equal to this, right? X is equal to cos 2k pi by n, cos 2k pi by n plus I sin 2k pi by n. What is k? K is 0, 1, 2 up to n minus 1. ঠিক আছে, we already get nth roots of unity is this. আমি alternative form discuss করছি. Okay, let's see. X is equal to this. X is equal to this. Now, Euler's theorem কি বলেছে? What is Euler's theorem? Euler's theorem states that cos theta plus I sin theta, so this is e to the power I theta. Cos theta plus I sin theta, so this is e to the power I theta. Just apply this. Cos theta, just you consider this is theta. Okay, cos theta plus I sin theta, cos theta plus I sin theta, cos theta plus I sin theta, so this is e to the power I theta. Okay, right? So this equal to e to the power I theta. I theta is 2k pi by n, where k is equal to 0, 1, 2 up to n minus 1. So if you put k is equal to 0, k is equal to 0, that is simply 1. If you put k is equal to 1, so e to the power I 2 pi by n. K is equal to 2, so e to the power I 4 pi by n. Okay, dot dot. If you put k is equal to n minus 1, so I into n minus 1 pi divided by n. So these are the nth roots of unity. So this is the alternative form. Okay, we can write here or. Take, you see. Okay. So the nth roots of unity. So the nth roots of unity will be e to the power I into 2k pi by n, while k is 0, 1, 2 dot n minus 1. So if we expand this, we get this. Okay. Also, we can be expressed this way: 1 alpha square up to alpha to the power n minus 1. What is alpha? Alpha is cos 2 pi by n plus I sin 2 pi by n. Cos 2 pi by n plus I sin 2 pi by n. Similar meaning, just see, cos 2 pi by n plus I sin 2 by cos theta plus I sin theta, that is cos theta plus I sin, that is e to the power I theta. So here that is e to the power I 2 pi by n, just see, e to the power I 2 pi by n. But যখন তুমি আলফা স্কয়ার করবে কি হবে? যখন তুমি আলফা স্কয়ার করছো, আলফা স্কয়ার cos 4 pi by n plus I sin 4 pi by n, পাওয়ারটা কার সঙ্গে মাল্টিপ্লাই হবে? অ্যাঙ্গেলের সঙ্গে। ঠিক, সো cos 4 pi by n plus I sin 4 pi by n, cos 4 pi by n plus I sin 4 pi by n, cos theta plus I sin theta, that is e to the power I theta. So cos 4 pi by n plus I sin 4 pi by n, so this will be e to the power I 4 pi by n, e to the power I 4 pi by n. Getting my point? Okay. So this form and this form are similar. So the nth roots of unity is 1 e to the power I 2 pi by n, e to the power I 4 pi by n, dot e to the power I n minus 1 pi by n. Okay, ঠিক আছে, right? Clear? So this is the concept, how to find cube roots of unity, how to find fourth roots of unity. Okay, and de Moivre's theorem, it is very important. When n is an integer, cos theta plus I sin theta, so this is cos n theta plus I sin n theta. But when n is a fraction, so cos n theta plus I sin n theta, so this is the one of the value of cos theta plus I sin theta to the power n. Okay, ঠিক আছে? সো আজকে de Moivre's theorem এর ফুল কনসেপ্ট আমি ডিসকাস করে দিই। হোয়াট ইজ de Moivre's theorem? ওকে, এক্সাম্পল দিয়ে ডিসকাস করে দিই। দ্যাট মিনস যে কোনো নাম্বার এর পাওয়ার, সেটা নাম্বারটা কমপ্লেক্সও হতে পারে বা রিয়ালও হতে পারে, তার পাওয়ার যদি ইন্টিজার হয়, দ্যাট মাস্ট বি উই গেট অনলি ওয়ান অ্যান্সার, রাইট? বাট পাওয়ারটা যে ফ্র্যাকশন হয়, ঠিক, সাপোজ 1 to the power 1/4, ডিনোমিনেটরে কি আছে 4, so we get 4 answer. Okay, so I think clear. So thank you so much, bye.